Traffic. Probably one of the most important concepts when it comes to making money online. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, freelancing, starting any kind of online business, all of that requires traffic, as this is something crucial in making money online, selling your product, building a business, and building a successful brand online. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys this brand new traffic platform that I've been using to make money online with affiliate marketing. Specifically, this product over here, where I withdrew over $173 today. Now, this is not something that's going to pay thousands and thousands of dollars off the bat, but it is a cool little system where you can go and viral ripple effect this entire traffic system and have other people on the internet share your link to their followers for you. How it works is by completing simple little small tasks, this website in return will cause other people around the world on these social media platforms such as YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you name it, to share your post to all of their followers, get all of their followers to share your post, and it just becomes one viral ripple effect from there. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys. I recommend if you want to learn more about this, stick with me throughout this video as I'm going to explain to you each and every step that you need to take in order to plug in your affiliate program into this new traffic website. So instead of paying for traffic like Google ads, where you've got to spend hundreds of dollars every single week, you are now completing tasks online completely for free, and in return, you are getting tons of organic traffic around the world. I would rather much do these simple tasks than take the risk of investing money into ads that may not even work. So this is also completely risk-free, and this website I'm about to show you is accessible worldwide, so anybody can do this. I've been doing this for the last couple of weeks with my Builderall affiliate program, and over here you can see I've earned over so far $11,000 with this affiliate program. All of these earnings did not come just from this strategy, but my last earnings in the past week, which has been about $700 and $173 I requested today, was from using the strategy. And I will reload this over here to show you this is my live dashboard. It might just ask me to re-log in again. And over here you can see that this has been refreshed over here. I've got a total of over 6,800 leads on this affiliate program so far, using various different strategies that I've posted on my channel before, which I'll leave a playlist for you guys later at the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is, in getting started with this, is to go down below and leave a like on this video. Leave a comment down below with one of your most inspirational or motivational quotes, and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on. And without further ado, let's get straight into this. Come over to this website called trafup.net. This is a website where you can get free traffic to your website in just minutes without spending a dime on any paid traffic. 3 simple steps. You add your website, whether it's your Twitter account, your Instagram account, your Facebook account, or even your own private website on Google. Attract visitors by building up points. The more points you receive, the more traffic you get to your pages and the more people share your posts. And thirdly, your website is visible for as long as you have points in your account. So if you consistently make sure that you've got points in your account, which I'm going to show you how to go and do, you will always get traffic to your affiliate offer. So that's going to lead us to step number 1. Come over to trafup.net, click on sign up on the top right over here. It will take you to this page where you need to enter your email, username, password, and just confirm your password. Create your account. I've already got an account, so I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed in, you will get this new menu bar over here where it will say websites, Twitter, retweets, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, SoundCloud, and any community posts like Reddit, Quora, or anything like that. And take a look at this. Every time you follow someone on Twitter, for example, if you follow this person over here, you are going to go and get 50 points to your account. If you follow this person, you will get another 50 points and another 50 points over here. You'll see all my points were used up today as I had this traffic strategy running for quite some time. So what I'll need to do is I will need to go and complete some tasks, or you can use the shortcut and go and buy points. So if you really want to shortcut this process, you can go and do that. You can go and buy, for example, 2,500 points for just $9 or 6,000 points for $19, and traffic will be constantly coming to your affiliate offer. The trick I want to show you is you come over to retweets over here. Take a look at this. If you retweet this person's post, you will get 50 points. But the best thing about people retweeting your post is not only someone's retweeting your post, you are getting all of their audience to see your post as well. So using the retweet strategy with this is a great way to access other people's audiences through them reposting your tweets in order for them to collect points. So for example, if I retweet this person's post, I get 50 points, they lose 50 points, because you need to have points in your account in order to get those constant retweets. So what you're going to go and do is you're going to go and click on add tweet on the top right over here, paste the link to your Twitter post, and you can choose the amounts over here, any limits, for example, 50, 100 or 500 retweets, and a category over here, in our case, which would be business. That's going to lead us to the second part of this video, is to go and construct our tweet to be retweeted to all of these people on ThriveUp.com, and how to structure it so to get tons of clicks and hopefully signups and sales through our affiliate link. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to come over to Builderall.com. I'll leave a link down below where you can get over 2,000 bonuses with Builderall and a free trial, which will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. Once you're on your dashboard, you need to go and click on the affiliates tab over here. Go and click on Builderall Premium Funnels. Scroll down until you see this funnel over here, your first commission 5-day challenge. If I copy my affiliate link and paste this in a new tab, take a look at this landing page over here. Builderall has specifically constructed this page for you as an affiliate to go and promote Builderall affiliate program, where they give away over $1,288 in free value plus a free trial with Builderall. So you will get a customized business strategy to follow, valued at $497, free affiliate email templates valued at $297, a private group chat valued at $197, and a high converting funnel template that you can copy and paste and use, also valued at $297. Now, every lead that signs up through your affiliate link gets these bonuses too, completely for free. And the reason why this works a lot better than a lot of other affiliate programs out there is because who doesn't want free stuff? They don't even need to enter their credit card to sign up for the free trial over here. And by offering this to people for free, 9 times out of 10, people are going to go and try this for free, and a couple of them do end up staying on your affiliate program to continue longer to actually put all of these bonuses into use, which is why the strategy converts so well. Copy your affiliate link to this funnel, come over to a website called bit.ly, which is a website where you can go and shorten your link into one simple URL that looks a lot neater than this long URL over here that looks pretty long and scammy that a lot of people wouldn't click on. Paste your long affiliate link over here, click on shorten, and you will get a simple shortened URL that looks like this. You can also track the amount of clicks it gets on your Bitly dashboard. And most importantly, come over to twitter.com. If you haven't got a Twitter account, you can easily sign up on the Twitter Create Account page. But I'm assuming most of you have Twitter accounts. What you want to do is you can create a Twitter account in any name. I've just got a Twitter account in my personal name, and on the top of the homepage where it says what's happening, where you can go and type your post, you want to go and type something along these lines. Watch me build a high-ranking successful affiliate funnel that generates me daily affiliate commissions completely for free. You also get over $1,200 in bonuses from me, which is the exact bonuses they will get off this page over here. The next thing you want to do is click on GIF images over here, and we want to add some kind of animation with our post. We can just go and search, for example, money over here, and you will see tons of GIF images, and you want to choose something that's entertaining. For example, this one over here by Jim Carrey, who is just screaming, "Show me the money." It looks pretty cool. It gives this post some nice humor to it, and we can finally go and paste our affiliate link over here. So we just want to go and copy this, paste this on your Twitter page here, and go and click on tweet. The next thing you need to do is copy the link to your tweet, like this one over here. You just copy your link, come over to ThriveUp.net, paste your link in the URL of your existing tweet, leave all of this at default, make sure your category is business, and click on submit details over here. And your tweet will now be enabled live on this website where people will start to go and retweet your post for as long as you've got points in your account. If you don't have points, you can come over to any of these tabs over here. For example, YouTube, and if you subscribe to this person, you get 50 points, 50 points, 50 points. So for as long as you have points in your account, your retweet will be enabled and people will share your retweet all over their Twitter. And remember, with everybody resharing your tweet and retweeting your tweet, it's going to reach many audiences around the world. Some people may have thousands of people following them that will now view your Twitter post on how to get this funnel with over these $1,200 bonuses and a direct clickable link to that page where you will get signups and affiliate sales from there. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to help you out with this playlist over here. So this playlist will go over all my traffic methods that I've used to make over $11,000 with BillRaw.com and their affiliate program, and all the strategies I've used and documented on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get access to this playlist, I could honestly charge hundreds of dollars worth of courses for this information, but it's all here on YouTube for free, because instead of me focusing on selling courses, I'd rather focus on my affiliate business itself while just documenting that and teaching for free on YouTube. So what I recommend is, if you want to go and follow that, click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.